Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your MSI B450M Pro VDH Max is not powering on properly or behaving oddly after a shutdown, don't worry, this is something many users face, especially after a power issue or system change. Sometimes the motherboard just needs a proper power reset to clear any stuck state or leftover charge. It might sound technical, but the good news is, it's actually very simple and takes less than a minute if you follow the right steps. So in the next few seconds, I'll show you the easiest way to reset the power safely and get your system back to normal. Try these. Step 1. Turn off your PC completely and unplug the power cable. Step 2. Press and hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds to discharge residual power. Step 3. Open the cabinet and locate the CMOS battery on the motherboard. Step 4. Remove the battery for a few seconds, then place it back properly. Step 5. Plug in the power cable and turn on the PC to check if the issue is resolved.